Good morning, everybody. My name is Alonso Moreno, and in this opportunity, I want to give a hand to those English teachers who can't save the virtual background or don't know how to program or configure the virtual background in Zoom. So let's do it. Here we are. I have my Zoom session open, and also I have opened my email where you can see now the backgrounds here displayed. What I have done is I have saved them. I have saved them in one of my desks here in my main desk. I have created this desk, which is Usil Fondos para Clases Virtuales. As you can see, here are the three items. Once you have the backgrounds in a good place, you can go to your Zoom session, and where it says Iniciar video, you can put here Elegir Fondo Virtual. As you can see, now is my camera has been activated. Yes, this is my camera. In this moment I have this. But here you should find, you press here where it says Añadir imagen, and here you can put Agregar imagen, and then you go to your backgrounds that you have previously saved in your desktop. For example, I have the three models. I'm going to choose the model number 3, and as you can see, it has changed. If I choose the model number 2, also it has changed. Once you have done that, that's it. You just close it, and in this moment, when you initiate video, this is the background. Of course, if you were in the video cam, you will be in the middle. You will appear in the middle, and that's it. Then you can stop the video, and then you can also choose a different one. Also, you can put the other one, that is this. You put share screen, and you will have everything. But in this case, I'm going to change here, and that's it. You turn off your camera, and you will appear here. Turn on the camera. And that's it. I hope you find this video useful. Goodbye.